Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to appear offline in League of Legends. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now I will show you a few solutions you can try. So the first one would be if you want to appear offline on your League of Legends client, all you need to do is click on that green dot and you will be away. That's simple as that. If you want to appear offline on your game itself, you want to open up your command prompt and run as admin. After that, this will open up. And now for if you are in North America, you're gonna copy this one, netsh, advfirewall, rule, and lolchat, and basically it is blocked. So you're gonna block the chat from Riot, and if you are from EU, then you're gonna write down this one. So that's pretty much it. It's just a different IP address, and I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this one. I'm gonna leave everything in the description below for you to copy. Now you're gonna write that down, click enter, and as you can see, it's now okay. So it means that your chat was turned off and you will appear offline. Another thing you can try is go to the browser and write down Riot Deceive, click on the GitHub right there, and basically download Deceive exe file. Once you will have a Deceive exe, you will see it here. So what you want to do is go ahead and open it up. Now you will have this message pop up. Riot client is currently running. In order to mask your online status, it needs to be started by Deceive. So you're just gonna click yes. Now if you have this message pop up, you want to go ahead and relaunch this application as admin. So just go ahead, run as admin, and open it up. So now it should work just fine. Now you will see this message pop up, so we want to choose League of Legends. Now, as it is on my other screen, I cannot show you, but basically you will see in the right corner of your screen, you're gonna see Deceive, and when you right click on it, as you can see, it is enabled. So once you will launch your League of Legends, it's basically, it works like offline mode. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.